In this video, we are going to cook cheese omelette recipe. This is a great quick meal at any time of the day. Eggs are a fantastic, affordable source of protein, helping our muscles to grow and repair and helping us to feel fuller for longer. So watch for till the end for full recipe video. Ingredients: 2 onions, 4 eggs, black pepper and salt, oil, dill, cheddar cheese. Method of cooking. First of all, we need to cut the onions into small cubes or slices. Once you're done cutting, put the onions in a small bowl. Now it's time to start cooking our recipe, so let's do it. 1. Place a pan on a low heat to warm up, and add little bit of oil to the hot pan. 2. Add the onions and start cooking for few minutes. Cook the onions until are golden brown. 3. Now, crack the eggs into a mixing bowl, season with a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Then add cheese and dill as well. And beat well with a fork until fully combined. 4. Now, add this mixture in frying onions and cook for few minutes. Do not forget to stir and mixture continuously. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. Bye. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to comment below and write your suggestions. I always read and reply to everyone. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. You can eat with naan or roti. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.